Plant FAQs. Aeonium mint saucer. Dinner plate. Aeonium. Aeonium mint saucer. An FAQ for plant enthusiasts. Hi, Ferbu here. I'm a plant enthusiast with a particular fondness for succulents. Today, we're diving into the world of the Aeonium mint saucer, a visually striking and relatively low-maintenance succulent that can add a touch of charm to any garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a curious newcomer, this FAQ will equip you with the knowledge to cultivate this delightful succulent. See more 91 species in genus Aeonium at monsteraholic.com. What is an Aeonium mint saucer? The Aeonium mint saucer is a succulent native to the Canary Islands, known for its large, rosette-shaped leaves that resemble, you guessed it, mint leaves. These rosettes boast a beautiful shade of green and have a slightly waxy texture, adding a unique touch to your garden landscape. This succulent can mature to a height of 2 to 3 feet and boasts a clustering growth habit, meaning it forms dense colonies over time. In spring, the Aeonium mint saucer produces clusters of yellow, star-shaped flowers that rise above the foliage, adding a pop of color to the green canvas. Aeonium mint saucer versus Aeonium arboreum, giant pitcher. Both the Aeonium mint saucer and the Aeonium arboreum, giant pitcher, are popular succulent choices, but they have some key distinctions. Here's a quick breakdown. Size. The Aeonium mint saucer reaches a mature height of 2 to 3 feet, while the Aeonium arboreum can grow much larger, reaching up to 8 feet in ideal conditions. Leaf shape. The mint saucer boasts shorter, broader leaves compared to the giant pitcher's long, pointed leaves. Color. Both succulents have green foliage, but the mint saucer has a more vibrant, lighter shade compared to the arboreum's darker green. Flowering. Both produce yellow flowers, but the mint saucer's flowers are smaller and more clustered. Ultimately, the choice between these two succulents depends on your preference. If you desire a compact, colorful option, the Aeonium mint saucer is ideal. If you have the space and prefer a dramatic, statuesque succulent, the Aeonium arboreum might be a better fit. How to care for your Aeonium mint saucer. The Aeonium mint saucer is a low-maintenance succulent, perfect for busy plant parents. Here are some key care tips. Light. Provide your mint saucer with morning sun or bright, indirect light. Avoid harsh afternoon sun, especially in hot climates. Water. Water deeply when the soil feels completely dry to the touch. Overwatering is a common succulent killer, so err on the side of underwatering. Soil. Plant your Aeonium mint saucer in well-draining succulent or cactus mix. Ensure the pot has drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Temperature. This succulent thrives in warm climates. Protect it from frost and prolonged periods below freezing temperatures, ideally above 25 degrees Fahrenheit. With proper care, your Aeonium mint saucer can thrive for many years, adding a touch of elegance and low-key drama to your garden. Can I grow Aeonium mint saucer indoors? Absolutely. The Aeonium mint saucer adapts well to container life indoors. Just ensure it receives sufficient light, ideally near a south-facing window. Rotate your plant regularly to promote even growth. Remember to maintain the same watering principles as with outdoor plants. Water deeply when the soil dries out completely. How to propagate Aeonium mint saucer. Propagating your Aeonium mint saucer is a breeze. Here are 2 methods. Leaf cuttings. Select healthy leaves near the base of the plant. Allow the callus to form at the cut end for a few days. Plant the calloused end in well-draining succulent mix and keep the soil slightly moist. Offsets. Pups over time. Your Aeonium mint saucer may produce offsets, pups, at the base. Gently remove the pups with clean, sharp shears. Allow the cut end to callus over, then plant them in individual pots with succulent mix. With a little patience, you'll be rewarded with new Aeonium mint saucer plants to share with friends or expand your succulent collection. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a healthy, thriving Aeonium mint saucer that will bring you joy for years to come. So, if you're looking for a low-maintenance succulent with a touch of visual flair, the Aeonium mint saucer is definitely worth considering.